is a
Okay, hold on. Tell them what your name is. What's your name?
My name is Ferrari. You can find me at Ferrari_FBaby on Instagram. I got out this car to come look at this beautiful mother. Never seen anything like this. I just want to make love to it. This is a bad mother. He have to put it on camera. Lord Jesus. Best shit I ever seen. Keep up the good work, man. I will be keeping in contact with you.
Subscribe to my channel.
Oh, definitely.
You want to touch it? Touch it.
No, I don't even want to touch it.
It's kind of cool.
It's very durable.
It's
Yeah, it's like sandpaper. You can it can take your skin right off.
Oh, it can take my skin right off. I love it. And it's on the right car, too.
Thank you.
Don't park this next to everybody. This is beautiful, huh, Charmaine? You should, it hits in the sun. Oh, I'm gonna put this shit on my Instagram.
Can we use
I'm
you?
gonna say this is my cousin.
Can we use you as a thumbnail real quick?
Yes.
Okay, come here. We're getting the alignment done, so when the new wheels come in, I can just stick them on there. And he says that the alignment can be done without the new wheels because it's going to sit at that height regardless what wheels we have. We're over here at the Tire King. He's running out of this M&M tire and wheel place right down here on Auburn in Sacramento. Auburn and Madison, okay? Call that number. So the problem with doing lowered cars and stuff like that is that tire places will not, they won't mess with your stuff. Okay, so that like Les Schwab or any other place that's like just does normal cars, they'll be like, oh, what, you guys are lowered? Never mind. They don't want the liability of messing with this stuff. But my man, the Tire King, he's deep in the game. So those of us who run modified cars, we come to him in Sacramento so that he can do all this stuff. Of course, you got the understanding that if some stuff happens, it happens, you know what I mean? And you just gotta fix it. So that's what the culture is all about. So you're not gonna be like, oh, well, you know, you did or whatever. If you're picky about your stuff, don't modify your car. Okay, we just love it that he will do this stuff for us. So hit up the Tire King. He does trucks and stuff too, so any kind of car modification, DM him on Instagram. Man, look at that. This is just so awesome. I'm breaking all kinds of necks out there because people are coming up like, they're like, what is that? Is that diamonds? Is that diamonds? Yes, it is diamonds. You crush it up and then you put some glue on the car and then you just sprinkle it on there. That's what I've been telling them. Okay, so we're gonna take this thing down to get the S14's first part. We gotta go to Wolfring Motors in Oakland. And yeah, well, I'm getting the over fenders for it, so we'll show you guys when we get there. got Mike here as well with his sick 350. I'm gonna copy the shit out of this kit when we get one. Okay, let me see. Yup. Some of these.
You don't want to pay some of these money though.
What are these, like 4K?
Yeah.
Oh, next year.
Do it.
When I get the Supra.
Cop. Do it.
Damn.
Like 7.5.
Shit. How deep's the other one's like 6, right?
What?
The barrel?
Ah, this is the 19 by 13, fam.
13. 7 minus. That's like 6 something. How deep the barrel is? It's like a 6-inch barrel, right?
Something like
on the back.
Yeah.
Sick. These are 4-inch wide?
What? Over fenders?
Yeah.
Man, you don't measure them by inches. It's a 50 mil.
Oh, okay. It's a 50 mil. All right.
50 mil rear and 15 mil front.
Damn. I wonder if these would fit in my 240.
What? These wheels?
Yeah.
No.
With the 50 mil over fenders?
What was your name?
Hong.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. You told
I'm here to pick up over fenders.
55 rear.
The food market. Mike's not kidding when he says let's go eat. Alright, here we go. Mike bought me what's this called, a shawarma?
Lamb shawarma. Look at that creamy goodness, that juicy meat. It's rotisserie, you know, they have it in there spinning. They just
Oh, nice. They don't have like a food mart up in Zach where they just like give you
they
food.
actually have they do like fresh cut meat back here.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm.
This is sick.
Lamb helps though.
Like hole in the wall.
Sometimes those be the best spots.
I know, right? I'm not gonna get the shits, am I?
Smack him. Hold up.
Smack him. See, somehow this ended up being doing Mike's rollers. That was sick though. I don't think we got the stuff on the tunnel. Yeah. Maybe it was in the wrong setting. We'll see.
Fuck yes.
You gotta airdrop this right now. So
I know.
can
Airdrop
bounce.
it.
All right,
Well,
let's
I
go.
see.
Woo! Damn. Hey, this thing sounds so much better in person than on camera, bro. Like
So the sound is hella deep on LS's.
Yeah.
So have you you noticed that when I do in-car rides on this, like it sounds hella like deep, kind of distorts it. Whereas the 2J, it doesn't distort it because the 2J revs up smooth, whereas this revs up a little bit on the raspy side and has more bass to it. So what ends up happening is certain microphones, they do well with high pitches, but when it comes to low frequencies, it like distorts it. Like if it like a Subaru or something, like a WRX would probably sound hella rumbly on here, something that has a lot of bass with through the exhaust. So this pretty much does that because it has so much low frequencies, and microphones usually tend to pick up high frequencies because like your voice and stuff like that won't have a whole bunch of bass to it, so it focuses on the mid-range and the high.
Yeah.
But
yeah, you guys gotta fucking see this thing in person because on the camera it just doesn't sound as you know what I mean. This is like
it's pretty girthy.
yeah, it sounds hella girthy in person. Fuck.
All right. Man.
Sick. She's just yelling at me. She's just yelling at me for no reason. We're rolling cruise style. Oh dear. Look at her. She's so angry. There we go. We got all 3 with alignments. The sloppy jalopy.
It stinks.
She calls it the sloppy jalopy.
It's the sloppy jalopy. Look at it.
Because she doesn't know what the end product looks like.
Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Oh no, don't show them all that yet. We're gonna go what's wrong with the car next episode.
Oh, Jesus.
Next episode. You gotta milk that content. Milk the content. Okay. Alright, here. Keep recording. Keep recording. So. Oh, you can stand on that side. Stand on that side. There we go. These are the over fenders that we got. So, let's pull up the one that's correct. Ugh. So these are Origin Labos. Labos?
Don't ask me.
Straight from Japan. Straight from Japan.
Why do you sound Russian then?
Right here, look, okay. So these are top of the line, baby. Okay. Super expensive. And because there's damage right here, look. Don't step on. Don't step on this. There's damage right here. Then you do this. No more damage. Uh-huh.
Ta-da!
Uh-huh. Look at that. There, see? Mm-hmm. Then you just cut the fender, put the fat wheels on it, push it out. We're good to go. Mm-hmm. Okay, so these we'll do on another episode where I'll rivet it on there somehow. And then we're gonna
You don't know how?
Huh?
You don't know how?
Oh yeah, you just put a screw here, here, here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you just boom, 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 3. And one on the back and one down here. One down there. Yeah. Yeah, honey.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got the front ones coming in. And then we got the whole kit. And we got wheels already. Let's go. Okay. That's how we do it. All right.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good. Oh, okay. Here, we'll do the outro. My button's all crazy. Here. We'll hold this. Okay, guys.
Oh.
That's it for this episode. If you like all the stuff that you saw, if you love the Audi wrap, which is over there, that lady sure did.
She
This shit is
did.
tight.
She liked
Give me
it.
that.
No.
Oh, you don't have
Oh,
camera?
it's okay.
Yeah, she loved it. She like flagged us down. She was like, hey, let me see that.
She was
And then
super
hella,
cute.
because she was curious, she was like causing a scene. And then hella people would just come. Like, there was like 4 or 5 people just congregate around the car at Home Depot. It was hilarious.
Yes, lots of attention around the Audi.
Now you like it, right? Tell them.
I always liked it. I picked it out, but I just, when the roll came, it just scared me a little bit because it was
You
so
thought it was too much.
over the top.
And I keep saying that you're some kind of rapper.
Oh
Or
yeah.
a drug dealer. But we are rappers. We just don't deal in
Car
drugs.
rappers. Okay.
Look, you
Car rappers.
can never be too loud. We rice shit out here. Okay, so if you guys like to rice out your car and you're interested in watching this thing get riced out,
Yeah.
keep watching.
Keep watching.
Until next time, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you guys later.
Come here. You little bastard. Get over here. Give me a kiss. Oh, good boy. Good boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. Yes, my boy. You're dirty.